So here I'm here to talk about the Second Brain AI project, which I created for my enterprise computing assignment. So the Second Brain AI is actually more of a system, but it comes with additional features such as AI chatbot, which has access to all your notes, and it has access to your notes through the Google Drive, your search history, replicating your actual brain and what information goes in it. So basically, see all your notes here in your Google Drive. It has access to them. So, for example, but only has access after you grant it. So it has access to your drive and your search history. So basically, say I got a big data problems right now. It first of all, it gets all this information. It gets this whole document and formats it to suit the software which it will be viewed in. And this can be and this file is seen in over in it's one of these. It's saved in the notes folder over here. And basically, what the AI formatter does is after it takes the all these documents, it adds links to it, adds nodes to it, which are I'll show you. I can show you later on the actual Obsidian, and it also gives you a summary and expands on all your information. So right now, this is what it looks like. It's pretty bland and doesn't have much detail into it. And so basically, after it's been formatted using the second brain system, it uses the nightly run script over here, which runs multiple of these scripts, which formats it. And here is the updated version of the big data. As you can see, there's a summary over here, there's tags over here, there's related notes, there's nodes. This is all the content, which is clearly more built on compared to the little amount of information over here. The good thing about this information is that all these nodes and all these nodes and links, they can be viewed in this graph. So you can see which information relates to what. All these green things are the tags, and they relate each document to each other. And all the white dots are your actual documents. For example, if you hover over this document, that's research on a power bank. And example, that's a YouTube channel. Also, this green dot is my test dates that I have for my upcoming exams. So basically, this this is the knowledge base that is built for your AI, but it also contains all your information and everything, all your notes and everything you need. And this is created every day using the same script, which is automatically run at 9 o'clock p.m., which you can change it to any time. And here on the left are all the formatted notes, as you can see. The good thing about this is also, if you want, you can search up keywords. For example, I can just search up. Uh, I got the big data definition and application and societal impact here, which has all the big data information, and that's the main benefit of this system. It organizes your notes and allows you to easily search for information. Um, Say you want to delete a section, for example, I don't want to have this. When I make the change, in this Google Doc, after the script nightly run script runs again, it checks each of the hash codes. So one of these codes relate to the actual um, they relate to the actual document. And once information's changed on here, like I just did, the hash code changes, and the system will recognize that. And after it recognizes that, it will actually reformat the document and delete the old document. Uh, and yeah, that's basically it for the. That's basically the main part. The additional part, which incorporates the AI part of the system, is the chatbot, which has access to all the notes seen before, which it uses as its knowledge base. Uh, there are multiple versions of the chatbot which I created, and they include the retro theme, which has access to your notes and answers questions from them, sourcing them from like the knowledge. Well, all the versions source them from the knowledge base. And another thing that the chatbot does is that if you tell it to add any notes, for example, say I have a birthday party on the 26th of April, it will do that by itself and it will add it to the knowledge base. So if you ask it another time, it will answer with the 26th of April. And also, there's a new modern minimalistic theme. And yeah, it has the same features, but it depends on the user and which suits them more. And that's basically the final part. That's the second part and of the project. Thank you.